Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Gather the IMEI or serial, the last known GPS coordinates, and screenshots of recent activity. Call your carrier and tell them the phone is stolen so they can blacklist it and place a trace request. This creates official logs. File a police report immediately and give officers the IMEI, purchase proof, and account details. This lets carriers, law enforcement, and courts pursue cell tower or provider-assisted location data. Once done, keep records of every call and reference number. Next, you push providers to act. Request cell tower pinging and an IMEI-based location attempt from your carrier. This is how a switched-off phone can sometimes be located when it briefly powers on. If you had Find My Apple or Find My Device, Google enabled, make sure the Notify When Found or Notify When Online options are turned on. They will alert you the instant it reconnects. Share the police report number so traces are prioritized and remain reachable for follow-up from investigators. To finish, you coordinate directly with law enforcement. Give them any new ping info and never attempt to recover the device yourself. Safety first. Continue monitoring carrier alerts, Find My or Google notifications, and account sign-in logs so you catch activity quickly. If the phone remains unlocatable, keep the IMEI blacklisted, cancel or freeze financial apps, and change all passwords tied to the device. Troubleshooting tip. If traces return noisy or outdated,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.